The Smart Airway app features a range of icons in various states. In practice mode, all features are displayed at one time. All features will be on as standard when starting this mode, with the eye icon in the top right acting as a master switch that toggles all features from all on to all off. In each icon grid, 2 icons are displayed in the top right. The on-off toggle switches the selected feature on or off. This toggle only applies to that specific feature and won't affect any others. All icons, when turned off, will be grayed out and will not respond when interacted with. The settings icon opens to display a smaller pop-up window that allows the user to adjust the feature parameters. Narrowing the parameters of features will increase difficulty, while the widening of parameters will make the features easier. There is a Reset to Defaults option to reset the parameters to default. The incisor force is measured on the front 2 top teeth. This is highlighted in the icon with the dotted graphic. The bar below the teeth icon will turn orange to red depending on the amount of force applied on them. The amount of force used to trigger these can be adjusted in the parameter settings using the settings icon. The cricoid icon measures the pressure location and the amount of pressure applied. When pressure is applied incorrectly, the icon will highlight red in the incorrect location and pressure applied will not be displayed. Only when pressure is applied in the correct location will the amount be measured and displayed. The cricoid pressure is displayed as a sliding bar scale for red, suboptimal, to green, correct, to red, excessive. In the settings icon, user will find the option to select awake or asleep mode. The head position value updates as the head is rotated. The rotation scale has 4 zones. Like the other features, it uses a sliding scale from green to red. Head position has a 4th zone, which is resting. This is the position of the head in neutral when sitting naturally. On the sliding scale, there are red zones at either end of the scale. These signify the points of hyperextension and hyperflexion. In the settings, these parameters for sniffing, hyperflexion, and hyperextension can all be altered to suit the user's preferences or skill level. The jaw thrust icon displays 2 bars, one for either side of the jaw. If both sides are activated, the icon will display green on both sides. If there is an imbalance, red will show on the side where more lift is required. The Airway camera pane shows real-time views of the internals of the airway, focusing on the epiglottis, vocal cords, and vallecular space. On entry of the laryngoscope, the built-in light illuminates the areas mentioned, with the internal camera showing this and updating instantaneously. This allows the user to see a real-time representation of the endotracheal tube as it is inserted for ventilation. The airflow section shows real-time graphical representations of the ventilation profile on the y-axis. This can be shown as either a bar or line graph. The respiratory rate is also plotted along the x-axis in real time. Details of the respiratory rate, tidal volume delivered, and peak inspiratory pressure are also shown within this icon grid. The feedback pane displays text feedback based on user performance. Information on each skill set is displayed here, with a toggle on/off to control the audio for each message. Example text and audio prompts include: incisor, incisor force detected, reposition laryngoscope, cricoid, pressure applied in incorrect position, palpate cricoid cartilage and try again. Head position, optimum position achieved, well done. Jaw thrust. Please review jaw thrust technique. Airflow, increase ventilation rate.